Hello everyone, this side Pooja Kedia, your GK teacher. So students, how are you? Hope you all fine at your place. Let's begin with the first chapter. Our chapter name is Mysterious Space. Okay. Today we will do Mysterious Space. Okay. Now this is true and false. Okay, all gases planets do not have ring. It is true or false? So it is false. The first artificial satellite to be launched into the space was Sputnik 1. So it is true. Okay. Third, the earth orbit is in circular shape. So it is false because earth orbit is in elliptical space. Okay. A lunar eclipse occurs when the moon comes in between the sun and the earth and block the light of the sun from reaching the earth. This is false. This statement is false. Now fifth, Mercury is the hottest planet in our solar system. This is false. Mars is the hottest planet in our solar system. The scientific name for shooting star is comet. It is false. Seventh, Pluto is no longer considered a planet. It is true. Okay. प्लूटो को जो है क्योंकि प्लूटो जो है वो थोड़ा दूर मतलब प्लैनेट जो है वो बहुत दूर है इसलिए इट इज़ नॉट कंसीडर अ planet. Okay, the mass of the sun is 743 times the total mass of the planet in the solar system. This is true. Okay, now craters are circular holes or depression common on the moon and sun planets occurring on due to the meteorite impact on volcano. It is true. Okay, now Andromeda is the closest to our solar system. This is false because Andromeda जो है वो क्या है, वो आपको galaxy. It is not star. So this is the end for today. आप लोग का जो होमवर्क है वो इस चैप्टर को इस चैप्टर को आप लोग को बनाना है, इस चैप्टर को आप लोग को कंप्लीट करना है. So this is the end for today. Last but not least, thank you. Have a nice day.